Guys and girls, do you want some quail eggs? 5 quail eggs. What does it mean? Huh? Come on. This was given by Brian. Brian, thank you so much for the quail eggs. You are very kind as always. Promote your shop. Guys, if you want to make your phone to be fixed, please visit Brian. Here in 3D Telecom. Yan. Santa Lucia. Oh, invite them please. Sabihin mo yung price kung paanong service.
Free service lang, sige, dali mo lang dito. Anytime.
Anong usually inaano mo bukod sa cellphone pa?
Yun lang, cellphone, laptop. Yun lang.
Ang presyuhan.
Depende saan. Meron mababa lang presyo.
Santa Lucia near in supermarket.
Number 58.